Welcome to our channel. I'm so excited because the seller on Amazon has reduced the price of the product I'm going to show you today, and it's only for a limited time. And the product quality and durability are very good. The product link is given in the video description. Let's start. Anycubic Photon Mono X6 Resin 3D Printer. 9.25-inch larger light screen. Anycubic Photon Mono X6 3D printer is equipped with a 9.25-inch monochrome screen, which is 138% larger than a normal 6-inch screen. The monochromatic screen lasts 4x longer than the Ridge-Bulk screen, and a special replaceable scratch-resistant film is added above the screen to save your maintenance costs. Achieve larger print volume. The Anycubic Photon Mono X6 Resin 3D printer can print up to 9.6 x 7.8 x 4.8 inches. The large volume can print large-size models or multiple models at one time, effectively improving your work efficiency. High precision and high resolution. The Photon Mono X6 Click Screen has a high resolution of 5,760 x 3,600 px and a contrast ratio of over 350, which can fully express the details of the character model's hair, fingers, and so on. 40 bright LED lights arranged in a matrix provide intense and uniform exposure in each layer of print, improving print quality and accuracy. Ultra-fast printing. The max printing speed of Anycubic Photon Mono X6 3D printer is 3.15 in per hour. With a 6% light transmittant screen, the fastest printing speed of the printer can reach 1/layer, saving you half of the time than other regular resin 3D printer and reduces costs. Compatible resin and power adjustment. The UV-lamp power adjustment range is 30% 100%, which can support the use of more types of resin printing materials to meet your more printing needs. In addition, adjusting the light power appropriately can extend the lifespan of both the screen and light significantly.